I try to give the work that suit with that person. Like Abby, she said she never cooked. She during her volunteer, during her traveling for a few months, she didn't get to cook. But she said, so let's try to cook here as much as we can.
Yeah.
And she get to cook all day,
She was like cooking the whole day because she really missed to do that.
Yes. So, but I saw that. So I just tried to give opportunity to give the work that I think people good at it, or people want to do it, or people want to learn, or people want to try.
Yeah.
Because I know that also I don't want